everyone, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, I'm going to create this look right here using this palette, the Grandeur palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I love this palette. This is in my top 10 Colourpop Cosmetics palette. A unique palette, and the graphic design, the packaging is beautiful. If you guys want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. This is the second series of the 3 videos that I created from this collection. The first video is the Baroque. This is the second video, which is the Grandeur. And the third one is the Ornate palette. So this is the Grandeur palette. Oh, sorry. So this is the Grandeur palette. The names are printed at the back. I love this collection's packaging. The graphic design is such an incredible job. They did a very good job with this collection. I love it. And these are the shadows from the palette. 9 shadows. This one is a pressed glitter excess. These 2 are sequin. This one is a duochrome. 2 are metallics and 3 mattes. I'm so excited to create a look from this palette, so let's start. First, I'm gonna get my Nabla N306 brush. The first shade I'm gonna dip in is right here. This one is Velvet shade. Do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna bring that closer on my eyebrows. Blend it well. Next shade, I'm gonna get Dust. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. This Nabla brush is actually pretty good. I have fallen in love with it. These are beautiful mattes. They're blending so well. Incredibly. Formulated shadows. I can't believe these are just like $16. I'm gonna get a smaller brush. This one is from Moda Pro BMX 420. I'm gonna get the same shade, Dusk, and I'm gonna put that under my eye. I'm gonna go lower than I'm used to. I'm gonna get another blending brush. This one is the Morphe M139. I'm gonna get Velvet again and smoke my under eye. So I'm just gonna put this shade under Dusk and smoke it. With the shade Velvet. I'm just gonna blend just to clean it. Okay. Next, I'm going to use my Give Me Glow Cosmetics Glow Harder Shadow Glitter Shadow Primer. This is my favorite glitter primer. So I'm gonna put this all over my lid. Okay, wait for that until it's tacky. If you don't wait until it's tacky, it's going to be cakey. You don't want that. The brush, Makeup by Mario E4. With this brush, I'm going to get the shade Monaco. This shadow is so beautiful. It is a gray, dark, very dark blue gray with turquoise glitters. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat it where I put glitter. You pat it so the glitter sticks on the glue. Quickly working here because the glue is gonna dry soon. I like shadows that has surprises, like glitter surprises that you wouldn't think that it's in the shadow, but it's actually there. Like this one, turquoise glitters in a gray blue eyeshadow. I love these surprises. It's so pretty. Next, I'm going to use the brush that we just used. It's the M139. It has the velvet shade. I'm just gonna tap this and I'm gonna blend the dark shadow. Blend the edges so it's not too harsh. And then we're gonna put another shade. Alright, after that I'm gonna pick up this shade right here with the same brush. I'm gonna put Mode and I'm gonna blend that in between the darker shade and the transition shade that we put.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone that lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind.
Alright, let's have some fun. I'm going to take this shade right here. It is Lavish. And I'm gonna put that, so pretty. I'm gonna cover the turquoise glitters. But yeah, just for fun. I'm gonna put it right on the center. Morphe 139 brush. Blend it a little bit. Next, I'm going to put the shadow need, because we need it right on top.
Wake me up. Yeah. Binge watching romantic movies, the ones with the happy end. Hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind, it's whatever.
And then I'm gonna get a teeny tiny brush. This one is Luxie 141. I'm gonna get House. I'm gonna get House. And of course, it's gonna be my inner corner shade. Phenomenal. Okay, so this shade right here is, what do you call that? Super Shock Pressed Pigment Shadow. So pretty. Shall we put the glitter? I kind of like it like this right now, but maybe I'm gonna put the glitters later. I'm just gonna put eyeliner. I want a really black eyeliner for this look, so I'm gonna choose Pat McGrath. This one is the Extreme Black. I'm gonna tight line, meaning I'm gonna put it on my waterline, up and down. Next is mascara. I already have mascara, but I'm going to coat it one more time. This one is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara.
It's someone to love, yeah. Someone, no.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab the glitters. I'm gonna use this brush. This one is the Makeup Forever 210 brush. So tiny. And I could easily grab glitters with this brush. This shade is called Excess. And I'm gonna put that under my eye, like right here in the inner corner. The trick is, if you really want the glitters to stick, don't get the glitters on top, get the ones in the middle. You might have to dig a little to get that formula that would stick on your skin. Voila. It's better that way. What a pretty sight, huh? Put a little bit more extended underneath.
Riding on the dizzying highs.
Oh my gosh, the camera doesn't do justice at all. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I can't stop looking at myself. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to use this. This is the Kylie Kendall collaboration, Sister Sister. There's a lip liner and a lip blush inside. I love her lip blushes and also the vet. I don't like her matte formula at all. So if it's blush, I buy it and Velvet. It's pink. I want something that is brownish. Do you, boo? So this one is a Kylie lip blush set again. This one is Do You, Boo. Like Do You, Boo.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it.
This one looks like my lip color. Alright, that's the lip liner and then the lip blush. Ooh. Love it.
Back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying highs. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying highs.
I'm gonna add bronzer on my face. This one is the Morphe Megastar bronzer. I just want something warmer on my cheeks. I think that was the missing piece. It's so pretty. Alright guys, so this is the look that I created from Grandeur palette from Colourpop. This is a very nice palette and I enjoyed myself using all these colors. Definitely this is a favorite. I hope you love this look as much as I do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going